I am so excited about Halloween this year that I bought a what we call Summerween planner. Summerween is a quote from a series called Gravity Falls, and basically it's a little town that loves Halloween so much they celebrate it twice a year. So Summerween and Halloween. So over 2 different launches, I bought some stuff from a lady called Angie Bellemare, who is absolutely fantastic. She is kind of like the Halloween and Christmas decorating queen, and she has a company called The Daily Grind, and she's all about planning and organizing and decorating and being creative and all the things that I like. But I look up to her because I look up to her because she's so great at what she does. So that's why I bought it. And obviously, because my Halloween decorations become bigger and brighter every year, I have to step up my game. So there we go. So I got some pens and some markers, which they also sell in a bundle. And then we have our new daily grind planner. And look at these discs. They're too cute. And this is from her it's like a niche collection, just one drop and that's it. It's a Summerween Collection. And look at this, is so cute, and it sparkles and everything. And then you've got this one, and then this one is from her from a previous. So I got a mystery box, and I got these inserts with it, and I thought, I don't know what to do with it because I don't actually have the planner. So when she dropped the Halloween collection, I was like, okay, I'll get a planner now. So yeah, put this in because it kind of really fits. And then I also got the sticker book. I don't think I will be using all of it. I am going to keep it for the children of the neighborhood once Halloween comes around. And then you've got the Summerween inserts, and it's so much like, oh, it's so cool. I won't show you everything, but it's literally, it's the best. And then you take all of that over. So it's still brand new, so it still needs to, go a little bit better. There we go. And then you've got another insert from the previous drop, and then I got these from the mystery box as well, and these as well, like more stickers. Doesn't a girl love a sticker? And then this is basically explaining how to use your daily grind planner. So that's what she has. It's the daily grind planner, and it's basically a 4-month planner. So I've got 1 month in here. Look, this is the whole month. So I've got 3 more months in here, but I'll keep that away. And then, she explains how it works. You also have videos, how-to videos. So I'm going to watch one of those to really make sure how it works. And then you need to do like a life assessment on, on all the things that you're happy about and unhappy about, and what you want to change and what you want to do about it. And then Dream Life Roadmap. The next 4 months of 12. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of like decorating, and I also want to do like a house clear up and stuff like that. So I'm going to put that all in here. And then per week, so 4 months productivity, so what I've done in 4 months, and then the month ahead, what are you going to do? So I have loads to do next month, or the month that's coming. So I'm going to put that on here. I want to create some healthy habits again, which I was telling my partner the other day that my health absolutely sucks at the moment, so I want to make a dent in that. And then so you've got the month ahead, the biggest goals, and then you start per week, and then after the week is finished, you have thoughts for the week. So where is that last bit? Let's have a look. So you do all the days, and then you have some, like a look back. What have you done this week? How's it gone? Your worries, what you worked on, all that stuff. And then you go to the week ahead again. So there we are. So this is the entire month. Will I be able to fill it in every day? I don't know. So I'll feedback on that. And then you've got another insert, and then you've got the back. I love this so much. And look at it, Summerween. So this is my new planner. I absolutely love it. So good.